guys, so we just made it out to the Carculture just now, and right now I'm setting up my GoPro so that I could put it on this little strap right here, because I'm gonna be using my gimbal the whole event, well, most of the event, because I'm not sure how action-packed this Carculture event is. I've never actually been to this venue, but it looks like a lot of cars are just parked up inside of like this shopping center, so I doubt there's gonna be a lot of craziness. So I'm gonna pretty much make do with all that content and pretty much just get gimbal work. Oh man, check out that GTR, dude, it looks sick. But yeah, right now we're gonna check out a few cars rolling in, and then we'll check out the rest of the car show. All right, you guys, so throughout the whole car show here at the beginning, we have a R35 GTR, and then we also have this Restomod Challenger Charger, not really sure what that would be. We also have a Camaro, a Mustang right here. Over here on the other side, we have a Z06 Corvette. We also have a Dodge Viper GT500, C8 Corvette, another C8. We also have the, I think this is the Balu collection. They have their green STO, green GT3, and Urus Performante. And we also have these classic beauties right here. This thing looks super duper weird in my opinion, 7067X. And we have a Porsche Touring, I think this is. We also have two ZR1s right here. Over there in Austin, we hardly ever see ZR1s, but the fact that we have two right here and pretty clean, it's pretty damn crazy, honestly, in my opinion. And then we have an M4 GT4. I didn't even know they had these on the street, unless this is just like a body kit and someone added all those what's it called, those logos. But yeah, pretty crazy looking M4. And then we also have a BMW right there. I think that's an E63, and then we have a Porsche 911 Turbo right here that looks insanely clean. Those wheels are just so goddamn nice. Check this out. Super clean wheels. Y'all let me know if y'all would rock those on your 911 Turbo. We also have a 750S right here. I absolutely love the spec right here. Carbon fiber front hood. We also have the carbon fiber inserts on the headlight. Those wheels though look crazy. Interior also looks phenomenal. And then I like those accents that they put right there, like the hexagonal fade, I guess you could call it, even though it's not really like that much of a fade. Pretty crazy car though, in my opinion. And then I'm sorry if I'm talking a little loud or if there's music super loud as well, but I'm gonna try to talk over it. We also have a Porsche GT4 over here. We have an NSX with some sort of like drawing wrap on it. We have a GT40 over here. We also have the C6 that Carculture unveiled right now for their new giveaway. And then we also have a super nice Chevelle SS, I think this is over here. This thing, whenever it came in, it started revving just a little bit, because I mean it is banned for you to rev at these events, but this thing is supercharged and it sounds super duper clean. Hopefully later on we're able to hear this car once it leaves the show. Right here we have the Wolf Collections Purple STO. Earlier I had the opportunity to sit in the car. The owner asked me if I wanted to, and I honestly said no, but later on I might take him up on that offer just so that I could get an inside view of those cars. And then we have a blue STO. I'm not sure if this is the same one that used to be twin turboed, but there was one with the same exact spec that was turboed by UGR here in Houston. I'm not really sure where that car went, but yeah, this thing looks super duper clean here at the show. We also have a Mark IV Supra that looks insanely clean. We have an R34 GTR Nismo right here. This thing also looks super duper clean. And then we have a Dodge Viper GTS. That's, I think, a Porsche over there. Not really sure on my Porsches, honestly. We have some Lexus over here that look pretty clean. Crazy modified over there, that red one. And then we have a Porsche right here. We have an Audi R8. And then this is, I think, a R34 GT or GTT. Not really sure what R34 this is, but it's a wingless right here. On this side we have, I guess this is the JDM section. We have an R35 right here. We have a, I think this is an R32, if I'm not mistaken. No way. Okay, that's gotta be fake, right? No way I'm seeing this correctly. A 400R? No way. Hold on, I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to fact check this thing real quick. I have never seen one of these and they are insanely rare. So if this is actually a 400R, I literally passed by this thing like 3 or 4 times already and I did not pay attention to it. But if this is actually a 400R, holy cow. Okay, so I just confirmed on that R33 400R that it actually is not a real 400R. It's just an R33 GT. But he put a whole body kit on there, trying to make it as like a tribute car, as authentic as he can. But it looks super duper clean with the wheels, the whole setup, body kit, everything looks insanely clean. We also have an not an R34, but we have a Mark IV Supra Paul Walker tribute car. We also have, I think that's like a I want to say that's an Evo, and then we have a Mark V Supra, we have a Honda Type R, we have a new Z, we have an NSX right there that looks pretty clean. And then hold on, it looks super clean, but then right behind it we have an R34. It's just so crazy here in Houston how many wild cars we actually see here. I'm not sure if this is a GTR, GTT, but it looks so damn clean. Yep, super nice. And I'm guessing this right here is the bike group. It's just a whole bunch of bikes over here on the curb. It's pretty sick though. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of cars here at the show. These don't get as crazy as most car shows that I go to, but we're gonna make do with what we have here at the show, and we're gonna try to capture as many reels as we can with the GoPro and the gimbal. Well, not the GoPro, my actual camera, A7C II, and the gimbal. But yeah, we're gonna try to capture as much as we can here. Starting to leave the show, so we're gonna try to capture a few of these guys leaving. Hopefully it gets pretty interesting with a few revs, or I don't know, maybe a few burnouts. We'll just have to see. This is the supercharged Chevelle, I believe this is. Sounds so good. Oh my God. Fucking Lightning McQueen out here making some noise. What the hell? What is homie doing? It's freaking crazy as hell. Bro, these freaking bikes over here are revving like crazy. The Wolf Collection just ended up passing. They're way off over there, but nobody's actually doing some crazy noise as of right now because, oh damn, this thing looks clean. Oh shit, she's cute too, golly. Yeah, that thing was clean. There goes that Resto Mod beauty right there. That Challenger, whatever it is, was so clean. And then we also have the Dodge Viper GTS. Bro, that thing is so clean. And then right here, I think this is all of the Balu, or not the Balu collection. This is the Wolf collection. These cars look so clean. Gotta love myself a good rotary. All Alright, so I just remembered that I totally forgot to do a outro for this video, but we basically just finished off. There was not any crazy sends or anything leaving that show, but it was a pretty good show with all the supercars that there was. So I hope that y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, be sure that y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and be sure that y'all also stay tuned for the next video because we're going to be at Savage Sunday. There's going to be 4 Lamborghini Aventador SVJ 63s, which is super crazy. So be sure that y'all stick around, and I'll see y'all in the next one.